Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Directv Stream on your Sony TV. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure your Sony TV is compatible with the Directv Stream app. Directv Stream is available natively on newer Sony Smart TVs. Additionally, you may be able to stream to your Sony Smart TV through Apple AirPlay or Google Cast for 2019 Plus models. If your Sony TV is not compatible, you can use a streaming device like a Roku stick, Amazon Fire Stick, or Apple TV 4K. So, connect the streaming device to your TV's HDMI port, follow the on-screen instructions to set up the streaming device, and then once the device is set up, download the Directv app from the device's app store. Open the Directv app and sign in with your Directv credentials. So if your Sony Smart TV is compatible, you can just browse through the Play Store and search for the Directv app and you can start watching your favorite movies. So basically that's it.